Inside potted plants, a little bit easier, but outside potted plants, it's like a losing battle for me. I can't water them enough, it seems. Um, but yeah, definitely give it a go. What up, Charlie? How's the ice for you, man? It's all going away already, actually. It's not so bad. So let's see. Let's see. We're gonna press a whole bunch of pots. Yep. Yeah. Shepherd, Iron Shepherd. First time ever been picking this asparagus. How is it? Yuzu, I mean, yeah. I mean, I even overwater some stuff outside sometimes. Wasn't bad. Frozen sleep. Soon enough, Doc. It'll be mud season soon enough. What up, Chance? You know mud season. We'll be outside, and it'll be like squish, 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 squish. It'll be squishing, and there'll be lots of it. Oh, it took away my seat. Hang on. We're good. We're doing some inside gardening. Yeah, I mean, Shepherd, we don't put plants in the ground outside till like late um, May. Like May 20th, I think, is the cutoff usually. I mean, May 2nd is supposed to be our last frost date up here, but I mean, I don't know. That's a gamble. That is a gamble. Who knows? Especially this year. Who knows what's going to happen? Weather's more and more unpredictable, I would say. Sure feels like it. It's more unpredictable, and there seems to be like a wider range, like of extreme weathers, and then whatever in between. And then like when we get rainstorms, like last year we had drought, we had heat waves, and then we had like absolutely torrential rain. End of March. That sounds nice. That sounds nice, man. Yeah, Ginger to be outside. I mean, it's loud right now, but the snow, like she can't walk on top of the snow, and it's still deep enough that she's just like, forget it. Forget it, kids. Let me get a little bit more soil. Oh, hang on, she's going again. She's going again? Yeah, maybe once we end stream, I could get her out for a walk. Get Ginger out for a walk. That'd be good. I think that's something like I'm gonna have to work that into my schedule for the growing season. Like get up pretty early and walk Gin. she's a little older now, so we don't quite like. We'll start running. Like at first, it'll be a jog, and when we get to the top of the street, it turns into a pretty slow pace. You got a sweet seed swap next week at the co-op. That's sweet, dude. Hey, it just looked up when will be the time after Mother's Day. 10 cent. Dang. I mean, that's still pretty good. Like usually like a little tomato start here in something this size of soil, $2, $2.50. Oh, you got it pretty good, huh, Nimitz? We got some snow and then some slop and rain. Everything was coated in ice, but I mean, freaking 60 degrees today. Everything is melting. More fog than ice at this point. It's gonna be a mess. Let's get a little bit more soil here. Actually, might be enough. Skip the damn soil. Just do it. Not so bad. So I gotta wet this soil up proper. Poor Ginger. Right at freezing, really? Puff, rain. Small town group. Right at freezing. Is it? Are you guys not getting the warm today? Let's get the water here. I broke this thing last time, so it is leaking. Got a little bit more. Dirt man, yeah. How many guys you know that got a bunch of dirt stored inside? If you know, you know, man. Yeah, I get that iron. Like there's some, it's definitely like a labor of love. Also, it's easier if like if you concentrate on one thing, like if you do tomatoes and then someone else is doing peppers, someone like I wish I knew someone local who was like a pepper guru so that I could just grab peppers from them and then trade them tomatoes or this. I don't know. A dirt fork? I don't know. This thing? It's a meatball press. It's a meatball press. It's a brownie maker. No, we decided last, what was it, Monday, that that's a good way to make meatballs. But no, we're gonna make soil blocks. Dirt brownies. But I mean, I think it was C-130 said square meatballs